students, welcome to this video. With this video we will learn about the playing with numbers and more about the playing with numbers. We have learned regarding the multiplication. Today regarding division we will learn about how to play with the numbers, whole numbers in cases of divisions. Once upon a time a student tried to divide so many numbers by 2. Then what he got? He got the numbers having 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in their unit places. They are divisible by 2, but the numbers having other than 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in their unit place, they are not divisible by 2. So he got the idea and shared it. That's why we got the rule of divisibility. So what was the rule of the divisibility? Rule of the divisibility. Rule of divisibility. The first rule, divisibility by 2. What does the rule say? If the unit place means ones place. Unit place digits of a number is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then the number is divisible by 2. So it is the rule. How to adopt this rule? Suppose there are so many numbers given and you will have to find out which of them are divisible by 2 and state the cause. Then what you will have to do? You will have to make the table. Table means one column for given number, another column to recognize the unit place digits, then third column is the number divisible by 2. Then first write down the one number given, suppose 2, 4, 6, 8. Unit place digit is 8. So the number is divisible by 2. Yes. In this way. Next another number, suppose 2, 4, 9, 1. The unit place digit is 1. So it is not divisible by 2. In this way you can maintain the column. In table method so many numbers can be written in this way and the divisibility test can be done in this way for many numbers. But if there is only one number is given and you are asked how to find out or which numbers out of them which numbers are divisible by 2, then you will have to only look at that number and the unit place of that number. If the unit place digit is 0, 2, 4 or 6 or 8, then it is divisible by 2. If there is the MCQ, very short type question, then only one number will be given or for short type question only 2 numbers will be given or 3 numbers will be given, out of them you have to test. So when there is more than one, then you can maintain the table method. If there is only one number, then you can only inspect. That is known as inspection. Only look and think about the cause, then write down the answer or choose the answer or fill in the blank or match. They are the very short answer type questions. So with this we have completed divisibility by 2. Then next, you know, any number is divisible by 1, so there is no need of the divisibility rule of 1. Thereafter we have got the idea about divisibility by 2. Then next counting number is 3. So divisibility by 3, you know this rule, last year you have learnt that if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3 or is a multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. The number may be of 5 digits, may be of 10 digits, may be of 11 digits, may be of 13 digits, what it may be. That is not the fact. But the fact is you will have to find out the sum of the digits. So what the rule says, if the sum of the digits of a number is a multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Okay, for this, under this section, to test the numbers, divisibility of the numbers by 3, if there are so many numbers, then you will have to maintain the column method. First column for the given number, second one is sum of the digits, sum of the digits, third column is the sum, divisible by 3, then is the number divisible by, divisible by 3. Suppose we are taking some examples like 2469, then the sum of the digits will be 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9, that is equal to 2 plus 4 6, 6 6 12, 12 plus 9 21. If it will be greater number, the sum will be greater number, then we can find again the sum of the digits of this sum. Suppose here we can test it. The sum of the digits of this sum is 1 plus 2 3, so it is divisible by 3. The sum is divisible by 3, yes, then the number is divisible by 3. If the sum is not divisible by 3, then the number will not be divisible by 3. So in this way, if there are so many numbers, you can test it in the table method. In this table method you can do it easily, and within a few minutes you can test many numbers. But if one by one you will write down the given number is dash, the sum of the digits, the sum is divisible by or not divisible by, so the number is not is divisible by or not divisible by. In this way, for every one you will have to write down the statement, and it will take a long time. That's why table method can be applicable for many numbers. But if there is only one number, then you can apply the inspection method in your mental state. You can test it and you can write. If there is the instruction to write down the cause, then you will have to write the sum of the digits of the given number equal to, suppose 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9 equal to 21. As the sum is a multiple of 3, so the number is divisible by 3. In this way you can write for a single number, but more than one number you can maintain the table method like this. Okay, but there is another rule also regarding the divisibility by 3. And what does that rule say? The rule says that you will have to remember some digits like 2, 5 and 8, another digits 1, 4 and 7. You will have to remember these digits, and with these digits we can remember the rule. What does the other rule say? If the difference of the number of two, 5 and 8 digits in a number and the number of digits one, 4 and 7 in that number is a multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. So, how can you test it? Similarly, you can maintain the columns for many numbers and one column for given number, then number of 2, 5 and 8, then number of 1, 4 and 7, then suppose it is taken as A, it is taken as B, then difference of A and B is the difference is the difference divisible by 3, then is the number divisible by 3, divisible by 3. In this way you will have to maintain 1 2 3 4 5 6 columns. Suppose a number is 6 7 4 8 9. Okay, thereafter number of 2 5 and 8. There is no 5 but no 2 but only 8, one number of 8. Okay, then how many 4s, 1s, 4s and 7s? 4 is 1, 7 is 1, so total 1 1 2. What is the difference between them, 1 and 2? Difference is 1. Is 1 a multiple of 3? No. Is it divisible by 3? Is the number divisible by 3? No. If the difference is not a multiple of 3, then it is not divisible by 3. Let us discuss about the previous rule. The sum of the digits 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 4 17, 17 plus 8 25, 25 plus 9 34, 25 plus 9 34. So the sum of the digits of 34 is 3 plus 4 7. It is not divisible by 3, and you can check this rule by testing so many numbers. Thereafter you can contact me. With this we have learnt the divisibility rules of 2 and 3. A new rule we have learnt as divisible by 3, and you can test it. I hope you can play with this rule today, and by tomorrow if there is any difficulty, if there is any fault you have find, then you can contact me by writing on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you, bye bye, have a nice day.